Hi, my name is Thibault, Principal Optical Designer at Immervision, and I'd like to present our R&D structure here at Immervision and to shed some light to how we manage to be at the forefront of the optical development in wide-angle imaging solution. Bear with me for the next minute. The R&D structure at Immervision to keep focus on the innovation. So to be at the forefront of the optical development for wide-angle solution, but also all our research and development projects are defined to get final results. So research could be a fundamental advance like how an optical surface mathematical description will impact on the lens design optimization process in consumer optics, or it could be how we can optimize an optical setup dedicated to wide-angle lens. So every time we always focus on innovation, result, and delivery. Immervision is also the principal sponsor of the Insert Industrial Research Chair in Optical Design at Laval University. With this long-term collaboration, we have developed with Laval University a state-of-the-art optical engineering laboratory with clean room facilities, all equipped to mount, align, and test optical system and from consumer to space application. Moreover, this close collaboration between Immervision and the chair provide a perfect synergy to work internally on very innovative fundamental research project like emitter surfaces, bio-inspired optic, deep learning applied to lens design, to name a few of them.